Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Meadowhall. Okay, let's start with the 12:30 Northern train service to Leeds. 1950001. I go in. Beep beep. There's a Lincoln Central one coming on as well. One 1950001. For Leeds. Right. Oh, cross country. I might as well stay up this way because there's another northern coming. Should start and see him shortly. Anyway, here he is. Okay, so the next train to come is the 12:31 Northern train service for Lincoln Central. Oh no, 12:41. Yeah, 12:41. Next in the 12:41 Northern train service to Lincoln Central. One 15014. I think he'll be setting off in a minute. Are we going now? Yeah, I think he's ready. And we finish off with the 12:30 Northern train service to Lincoln Central. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.